Just drip candle into coffee. After I learned this, I never spent money again. Try this, and you'll never have this problem again. To start our simple tip, we're going to need just 3 candles. Put them in a pan, then turn on low heat and let them melt. And folks, I never imagined I could do this at home. I started saving a lot of money after I learned this trick. When the candles are completely melted, we can turn off the heat. But don't throw away the leftover wicks just yet, we're going to need them. Now pour the melted candles into a container. You can use one of your choice, as long as it's not plastic. Next, we're going to add some cloves. The cloves will play a very important role in our recipe. There's no exact amount of cloves. You can add as many as you like. Next, we're going to need coffee grounds. If you prefer, you can use used coffee grounds, which also work. Add just 1 tablespoon and then mix well. I learned this trick from my uncle who lives in the countryside. This is quite a powerful and foolproof tip. I bet you'll never spend money on expensive products sold in stores again. After mixing well, our tip is almost ready. Now remember the wick I told you to save? Let's use it now. With the help of a large stick, just secure the wick and place it in the center of the container. Let it sit for a few minutes until the candle hardens. After some time, it will look like this. Now just remove the stick and then trim off the wick. What we just made here is a wonderful, aromatic, and insect-repellent candle. That's right. Light the candle, and you will immediately feel the aroma of your house change. The smell of fresh coffee can transform any environment. And along with the cloves, it's going to help keep all kinds of insects away from your house, especially mosquitoes. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has insecticidal and repellent properties, keeping all kinds of flying insects away. If you live in a place with lots of insects and don't know what to do anymore, try this homemade candle, which not only is going to keep them away, but also give you a fragrant and pleasant environment. So that was today's tip. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.